guys, welcome back to my channel, The Shining China, and China is back again with a new video, a new vlog. No, it's not a vlog. So it's a review video. It's a makeup product review video. मैंने आपको बहुत टाइम पहले कहा था कि मैं स्किन केयर, मेकअप ये सब वीडियोस भी करती रहूँगी बीच-बीच में. So today I'm here creating a very easy, affordable makeup look using the brand Blue Heaven. So yes, this is the brand that you all know how affordable it is. So इसने कुछ नए launches करे हैं Blue Heaven ने, and I've received this package from them. I am going to review honestly each and every product, and let's see it fulfills whatever it claims or not. So first of all, actually I had prepared my base with the moisturizer and toner. After that we just started with the foundation. So I received this Hyper Matte foundation from them. It says liquid formula. It is liquid, obviously. Buildable coverage. Yes, it is a buildable coverage foundation. It also says it has SPF 25 PA++. वो तो हम धूप में जाएंगे तो ही हमें पता लगेगा. बट अच्छी बात है कि अगर फाउंडेशन में SPF है तो आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा SPF क्रीम लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई मीन सनस्क्रीन लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देन इट सेज इट्स नॉन क्लॉगिंग, मतलब आपके पोर्स क्लॉग नहीं करता. बेसिकली आपके पोर्स के अंदर नहीं जाता ये और आपको एक्ने ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं देगा. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट इट सेज, एंड इट इज़ लाइट वेट. डेफिनेटली आई फेल्ट इट इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. आई रियली लव दी formulation of this. और अच्छी coverage, as you can see, it gave me really nice coverage as I did the half face, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's quite nice packaging and अच्छी है, और the price is ₹200, so affordable. Definitely I would give 9 out of 10 to this one. This foundation, they have almost 7 shades. They have 7 shades in this, which is again amazing. Next I went on with this cream concealer cream stick, which says 12-hour stay. cream foundation आपकी जो यूज़ होती है वो आपके, अगर आप ड्राई स्किन से हो तो आप क्रीम फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ क्रीम फाउंडेशन. आई लव लिक्विड फाउंडेशन, बट आई यूज इट एज अ कंसीलर on top of my liquid foundation, and I applied it on the highlighting areas. So it is good. It gives a like medium coverage, light to medium coverage. It is nice. I am not like really happy with it, but it is good. So I will give you like 6 out of 10 to this cream foundation. This is how it looks like. Next I went on to a nice product, which is a good product, which has a good amount of coverage. It is their oil control compact powder. Definitely it gave me like matte finish. I had set my whole base with this compact powder. It gave me amazing matte finish. Again, it says it has SPF 25 special shine control formulation. Definitely it could control shine on my face, but I am not a big fan of compacts. But still, if you're a compact lover, you can go with this. It gives a nice coverage as well. बहुत अच्छा टेंट है इसमें, and it does set your face really nicely. Oil shine भी control करता है. So it's a good product. So I'll give this 8 out of 10. So this is nice, and the pricing for this one is ₹165, which is too good. Something which is very interesting. They have kajal on one side and eyeliner on the other side. This is the eyeliner, the pen eyeliner, and the kajal on this side, which is such an amazing thing. इंटेंसिटी की बात करूँ तो इतना इंटेंस नहीं है ये ब्लैक काजल, बट जो ये टेक्निक है, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, लाइक 2-in-1 वाला कॉन्सेप्ट, इट इज़ अमेजिंग. सो कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए आई विल गिव यू लाइक 7 out of 10. बट जो ये पेन आईलाइनर है वो इतना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है. मतलब यहाँ हाथ पे लगाने पे इट इज़ एक्चुअली पिगमेंटेड, बट आईज पे अप्लाई करने पे मुझे बहुत प्रेशर लगाना पड़ रहा था. सो या आईज पे इतनी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है. And kajal is good. It is nice. I can give 9 out of 10 to the kajal. So to the whole product, I will, I think, rate 7 out of 10. Kajal doesn't smudge. That is the most amazing thing about it. So next we will move on to the Brow pencil. Oh my god, this was the game changer. I love this product so much. It has a spoolie on this side and the pencil on the other side. The amazing thing about it is an angular shape. It is definitely like good, and as good as some other high-end product. I love this brow pencil. I would give 10 out of 10 to this product. I really love it. Next, let's move on to this extreme length mascara. Definitely it gives me nice length. It says it's non-clumping. Definitely it is non-clumping. Does what it says. I would give 9 out of 10 to this one. Next, And the last that I would love to show you is this Intense Matte lipstick. It is definitely transferable. As it says, it is Intense Matte. I think matte should be transfer proof, but it is transferable. It can be transferred really nicely, but the intensity of the color and the color is really nice. I really love it. And you can see, like, एक बार application में ही बहुत अच्छे से दिखने लग जाती है. And it doesn't feel dry. It is creamy. It doesn't feel dry at all. The only thing about it is it is transfer proof. Like, at least कुछ तो transfer proof होना चाहिए था. So yeah, these are the products that I have tried for the Eid look, and I've created this really affordable, nice and practical Eid look, so you can carry it for your other functions as well. You can buy the products according to my recommendations if you did so. If you like this video and if you really want these videos to be up on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe. I love you all. Bye. By the way, vlogs are coming, so stay tuned.